What if you could hit a reset button on anxiety? Not in 20 minutes, but in 20 seconds. I'm going to show you 3 super simple physical tricks that can bring you instant calm. No apps, no long routines, just you and your body.
You know that feeling, right? Where your mind is just screaming. It's replaying that one awkward thing you said. It's the storm of what-ifs. It is just loud.
And here's the thing, trying to think your way out of anxiety, it almost never works. It's like trying to argue with a tornado. That noisy manager in your head doesn't want logic, it just wants to be loud.
But what if you've been fighting this battle in the wrong arena? See, we all try to calm the mind first, and that's the long, hard route. Your body, though. Your body listens, and it listens instantly if you know the right buttons to push.
And that's exactly what we're doing today. I'm talking about simple physical cues you can use anywhere, anytime to tell your nervous system, hey, we're safe, stand down.
Okay, let's dive right into our first habit. This one it's surprisingly powerful, and you can do it with me right now. We're calling it the ear reset.
All right, so use your thumb and your index finger and just grab the entire outer rim of both of your ears. Start at the top and gently but firmly just start massaging in little circles. Work your way all the way down, and when you get to the bottom, to your earlobes, just give them a nice, gentle pull.
Seriously, don't just listen to me talk, do it with me for the next 10 seconds. Go ahead. Just feel that fleshy part of your ear roll between your fingers.
What'd you feel? That little shift? You just manually stimulated your vagus nerve, which is basically your body's built-in chill-out supervisor. It's like you walked over and just turned the volume knob down on your own stress.
All right, let's move on to our second habit. For this one, we are going to break the #1 rule of stress management. Everyone tells you, take a deep breath. Forget that. We're going to breathe backwards. Okay, first, exhale everything through your mouth. Come on, get it all out. Empty the tank completely. Now take a normal, gentle inhale through your nose, and right at the top, take one more quick little sip of air. Then, and this is the most important part, a long, slow, controlled exhale for twice as long as you inhaled. Let's try that one more time. Inhale, quick sip, and a long, slow exhale. Just 2 or 3 of those. That's it. That's your 20 seconds. You should already feel a difference.
You know, this is actually something your body does naturally. It's what's happening when you cry or as you fall asleep. It's your body's way of hitting the reset button. That long exhale sends a direct signal to your heart to slow down, and you just learned how to do it on command.
Okay, but what if you're in a big meeting or on a first date? You can't exactly start massaging your ears, right? Well, that's where our third habit comes in. This is the stealth ninja move of anxiety hacks.
So, anxiety turns our focus inward, right? Into that storm in our minds. The solution is to force that focus outward, onto something completely and totally meaningless. We're gonna hijack your brain for 20 seconds.
Look around you right now and pick one boring object. Not your phone, that's too interesting. Something neutral. A pen, a light switch, maybe a crack in the wall. Got one? Okay, for the next 20 seconds, I want you to mentally catalog this thing. Don't just look at it, I mean study it. What is its exact color? Is it just blue or is it more of a cobalt? How is the light hitting the surface? Can you see a reflection? Keep going. What's its texture look like? Do you think it would feel cold or warm if you touched it? Would it be heavy or light? You're not judging it, you're just observing, like a detective examining a clue.
So, what did you just do? You gave your logical brain a really simple, non-threatening job to do. And that pulls mental energy away from your amygdala, the brain's little fear center. You literally cannot fully focus on the details of a pen and your anxiety at the exact same time. You just chose the pen.
So these 3 things, they're not just clever little parlor tricks. There's a fundamental principle that makes them so powerful, and honestly, it's a total game changer for how you think about anxiety.
It's all about body first versus thought first. Trying to rationalize your way out of anxiety is slow. It often fails because your anxious thoughts just argue back. But the body first approach, it's instant. It's not a suggestion, it's a direct command.
And that's really the whole secret. Remember this, thoughts are argumentative. Your body is responsive. Each one of these habits is just a pattern interrupt. You're physically cutting the anxiety signal before it gets a chance to build into a full-blown storm.
So there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've got this powerful new toolkit you can carry with you absolutely anywhere. Because, well, it's literally part of you.
You've got 3 different 20-second resets. The ear reset for that physical grounding,
the physiological side to biologically calm your entire system down, and the stealth reset for that covert mental hijack you can do in any situation.
But here's the real key. Don't try to master all three at once. The goal here isn't more complexity. Just pick one. Just one of these habits that felt good to you and practice that one.
Because look, the power isn't in knowing these things, it's in doing them. These tools work the second you use them. So the only real question left is, what part of your day will you choose to reset?